Hi guys, it's Jordan with chicken trip number 1. Here's our little chicken nursery where you keep all the chickens. And then here is the little baby chicken, the bigger chicken cage. And then here we have another chicken that's a mom because we don't have enough room in our chicken nursery. And these chickens are in the process of being moms. And here is our egg nursery where you pick up the eggs. Our egg production really cut because a lot of the chickens that used to put eggs are now moms. So we only have 2 eggs now. And that's our chicken trip for the day. Bye.